everyone, this is DIY Geek. Just would like to create this quick video of the unboxing of this LED light. This is for my headlight. This is actually for the low beam for my truck. The model number that is compatible for is, let me see, try to focus here. This is called the 9012 HIR2. Yes, so it's replacing a halogen light. The number is 9012H1 or HIR2. It is for the low beam, so this is going to be the light that's going to be on most of the time for my truck, and that's what it comes with. It has a small booklet with a little bit of direction. Okay, and then the lights. So pretty simple looking light. Looks like it's pretty well made. It is black with LED there. Trying to get it to focus. There you go. And then the back, there's the fan and a short cable, and it has a plug. And this is the mount. Let me move the background so that you can see the mount that is right here. These three tabs right here, 1, 2, and 3. This is the mount that is required for my truck. My truck is a Ram 1500. The year is 2015. All right. Let's see. The other one is just exactly the same. Let's look around the box. The front of the box, the side, which you already seen, and then this side right here is again to show you that this is the 9012 version. And then the back of the box have some specifications. This is made by Oxylam. Okay, this is at night, and as you can see, the light from the headlight is pretty straight on the garage door, showing what they call a good cut, which means that if there are people in front of you, well, not in front of you, but you know, on the opposite side, you're not going to blind the car on the opposite side of the street, because this is pointing down or low enough. Then the cut of the light is pretty precise for this Oxylam lights. So here is what the headlight looks like. So once again, it looks pretty good. Okay, I will have the link. I bought this from Amazon. I'll have the link to Amazon in the description. If you would like to buy this particular LED light, I would appreciate if you use my link
it gives me some credit and helps continue making these videos. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making a lot more videos like this, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.